So, oven repair. Now, I thought it was this main selector switch here that was causing the problem, which is what I got a shock off yesterday because I thought I'd taken the power off and I hadn't. Transpires, so I've bought my test meter, as you know, transpires that on the front here there's this timer mechanism which does sound a bit broken and knackered. Anyway, after testing all the wiring out, I found out that the power was going into one side of it but not coming out the other. So as a temporary measure, what I've done now is I have, see this wire here? What I've done is I've pulled it off each side of the timer and connected it together, so the timer now doesn't work or exist in the wiring of it, which will bypass that completely. So if I turn it on now, hopefully we'll have some power. Power on and bingo! Look, we have a working oven. All works. Light come on inside. Must confess, we haven't exactly used it a lot. As you can see, it's about 7 years old and it's never been used actually. Oh, I can smell it heating up as well. Look at that, it's all fixed, all repaired. All that happens now is that timer no longer is functional, but to be honest with you, who uses one anyway? And that's it, it's all working. So that was my little repair of my Techna HI535ME. And now all fully functional. Just got to put it back together again. Just saved €900. Lovely. I wonder what I'm going to go and spend that on. Okay, so that's the cover all back on there. Now I have to reconnect up these bars which have come disconnected, which I've done. Now I just need to slide it into place. Make sure it lines up. And now all I've got is 4 screws. One here, here, here and here. To put back in, let's hold it in the cabinet. And we're job done. Lovely. I do like a nice, satisfying job. The tools I've had, only what are available. I had to go and buy this morning. It was €15 from the Chinese shop down in town. But it's now not even 9 o'clock in the morning and I have repaired it. It's done. Very satisfying, I must confess.